Hello everyone, it's very nice to be here in Indonesian Science Day 2022. My name is Didi Sundiman and today I will give a short presentation about my research plan with topic digging deeper the triple bottom line. We know that COVID-19 accelerated many things, especially in business model. These 2 years becomes very dynamic in organizational business that many new trends develop in the business organization. We can see three trends for organization that accelerated by COVID-19 from McKinsey Global Institute in 2021. The first one is hybrid remote work, that it's rise 5 times than before the pandemic. And then the digitization, the growth of e-commerce and the delivery economy. It rise for 5 times more than before. And then the third is enlisted automation and AI, artificial intelligence in business organization. I think it's very important for us to know about this phenomena, and maybe these trends will continue after the pandemic. And we will look into the sustainable business model that from research from Landrum and Edwards in 2009. Their research with topic a model for clean energy innovation in Africa. In Africa Energy Yearbook, they developed a report about sustainable business. They said that sustainable business practice help ensure the long-term health and survival of the business and its associated economic, social, and environmental systems. From this statement, we know that for long time operation of a business, it must be have the component for sustainable business in their business model. And from my research in 2022, I doing research about business trend and business sustainability. We got data from the previous research paper and many articles that said about business trend and business sustainability. We gather it from online news, online articles. We use the machine learning algorithm, and we got some conclusion that there are still difference between business trend that now in the real life, in the real business, and the ideal condition that we want if we talk about business sustainability. For example, in our research that we found that in the business trend nowadays, the business still focus on market growth, customer need, and also the people. This is three component that focus in the business trend nowadays. And it's different with the ideal business sustainability concept that we got it from the previous research that if we talk about business sustainability, that we have to focus on product value, environment, and family social system. So we give a conclusion that nowadays the business trend still not yet trending to the business sustainability concept. And I have one reference from the book's titled The Survival Path of Humanity. That when we talk about the true essence of survival, we need three main components in the our daily living activities. The first one is physical living. We know that physical living is talk about our physics, and maybe we can say this is the example is just like a profit operation, daily operation, or our knowledge. It's talk about physical living. And the second component is concise awareness, compassion. Yeah, compassion. When we talk about compassion or concise awareness, we will talk just like our compassion to our environment, compassion to all the component in our daily life. And the third component that I think is most important is spiritual living. So the true essence of survival give us framework to think about more to think again about business sustainability. And my next slide is bring out the emerging research problems that we will do in this research is how do the three component of the triple bottom line, maybe last time we talked about people, planet, and profit. Nowadays they said it environmental, social, and governance interact in the current business. We will describe it in the nowadays phenomena. And the second research problem is the triple bottom line being the basis for any sustainable business that operates today. We will compare it with the ideal state that we want maybe. And the third research problem is there a gap that arises from the ideal of the triple bottom line theory with the realization of the implementation of the triple bottom line in an ongoing sustainable business. So I think these three research problems is very important to answer in our research. Thank you for this chance and see you on the next step of our research and our business model development. Thank you.